Train enthusiasts of all ages from around the area took over the La Crosse Center today to buy, sell, and trade memorabilia. The 27th annual Great Tri-State Sale was held in La Crosse earlier today from 9 to 3 in the afternoon. Hundreds of vendors from the region gathered for the event, which was put on by the 4,000 Foundation. The foundation has a goal of restoring and maintaining the La Crosse Short Line Railroad Heritage Museum in Copeland Park. Organizers at the 4,000 Foundation say this year was a record-breaking success.
We've got a record number of vendors. We got like 310 tables in here from vendors from about 4 or 5 different states, local and out of town. Great crowd. The patrons, huge crowd there too.
The foundation will be hosting another event on July 28th in Copeland Park.